What's up, guys? Back down at the shop today. Last video I talked about how we were going to be getting the 6-speed put in. My phone died, so I wasn't able to record it. It is in. I'm going to button up a few things. My clutch should be coming in Friday, so I should be able to get the engine in over the next week and hopefully maybe get it started. I don't know, that might be a little bit generous. The current state of the interior of the car right now, all torn apart because this guy here, the recirc and in the fresh air intake for the HVAC was broken. The cable was actually stuck. Luckily somebody had one of these cars nearby. I ran, got it, it's in good shape. I just left it open for now so I can wire in all the gauges and everything, would just be easier. Then throw the rest of the dash back together, everything like that. But yeah, trans is in, all 6 plus reverse. Awesome. Pretty much I'm gonna work today on getting the front axles in, maybe mock up the brakes, see how the Brembos look on there. I got those redone. Alright, got this side of the suspension all torn apart. I'm just letting that hang. You're not supposed to do that. I'm putting new brakes and hoses on it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let's go over here and grab an axle. Either one side should not matter. This one has the fresh boot on it. On the inside it was pretty tore up, so I went ahead and put a new boot on that. Green CV means factory. Everybody online says just reboot these CVs whenever they rip, because apparently the factory axles are a lot better. I believe that because we're working on cars for so long. I know that aftermarket axles suck and they just do not last like factory ones. So we're gonna go ahead and toss this in. I'm going to attempt to somewhat kind of tripod. Here, let's see. Stick. Just gotta help with the joints and those. Alright, side number 1's getting there. Brembo's on, fresh, looks good as hell. Struts in there, tightened up, the axle's in's tightened up. The tie rod end is on and tight. It needs a fucking cotter pin through it. That's the word. Other than that, looking pretty good. I got to throw these pads in and stuff. I don't know if I'm going to do that right now, but and then other than that, I can throw my hose on, and then this side will be done. Damn. All right, this is side number 2. Pretty much just got to do the same exact thing. This is the Hellhorn wiring. The car came with them. I don't really care for them. It came with them, so I'm leaving them. It was all in the engine bay. I relocated out to here. I need to dielectric grease all this because it's going to be in the fender well. There is a liner that goes in here that I took out. But then I'm just going to tuck them up here, something like that. But yeah, I'm going to put those up there so they're out of the way. And then I'm going to go ahead and grease those up. Probably tape the ends of this just so it doesn't pop out because it's kind of loose. But pretty much just got to do the same thing I did on the other side other than that. Alright, got the second side pretty much wrapped up. I don't know if I'm going to put the brake on this side. It might come back off. I don't have wheels to roll it around. I just have these 16 Steelies, and they do not clear the Brembos. But, I got this side on. I do need to tighten this up still. But other than that, same thing. Got that wiring harness tucked up there real nice. Alright, so this is my other buddy I rent in the shop with, Vince. His 240, I showed that in an earlier video. It's right there. The Legacy that I talked about a little bit, that had the engine put in it. That nice EJ 257 bottom, low mile. Vince, what happened to that today?
Well, it's rod knocked really bad to the point where it will not run at all.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that. It lasted almost 5 days, so we can't really complain. But
yeah, we got a whole 5 days.
Whole 5 days.
Pretty jealous.
It ran good.
Yeah, it ran really good. Made a lot of power.
Ran good. Made good power. Good torque.
Very fast.
Yeah. It's just a shame.
Yeah.
But hopefully it's not too bad. We don't know what exactly is going to come with the car. Possibly a part out. Maybe fix it. Maybe we'll rebuild the first Subaru engine we have.
Maybe we'll rebuild it. I don't know. We'll see how bad it is and go from there. If it needs bearings, we'll rebuild it. If it needs all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, we're about to drain the oil. Or did you already get it draining?
I didn't drain it yet.
Yeah, we're about to drain the oil and see how good that is. It's probably very metallic. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh boy.
It's bad.
I can see it already.
Shine the light over this way.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh God. All right, I think we have more than one spun. Maybe not, but
it's pretty bad.
I
didn't even run it for that long.
It's pretty
bad.
It's pretty crispy. That's a lot of metal. Let me see if I can.
That's pretty bad.
Oh,
it looks like metallic fucking paint.
Yeah, honestly, you can't really see it on glove, but you can definitely.
Yeah, that's really bad.
You can definitely see it in there. Yeah.
I mean,
it's not a magnetic drain plug, huh?
No,
you know, I thought about getting one for my car, but I'm pretty sure if it blows up, it's gonna blow up pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't. You know, it's not gonna help.
Damn. Well, that sucks.
Yeah.
It's been what, Vince? How long do you think?
2 hours.
It's like 10:30. An hour and a half.
Actually,
I don't know.
8:30.
Maybe 8:30. 1.5 or 2 hours, and it's about ready to come out. So, not bad. These aren't too terrible to pull.
I've also never done this before.
Yeah, I guess with a full engine, huh?
No, I've never. Not in a turbo car.
Not in a turbo car, yeah.
I think it's harder in a turbo car because the NAs are.
Yeah, the NAs have
nothing.
a shit ton of room, and there's no wiring or anything.
Exactly.
There's a decent
one. Well, I guess 2 connectors.
Yeah, there's the 2 big bulkheads. I was actually looking for those because I didn't know where they were on Legacy.
Yeah. It's supposed to be
that
bolted
one.
somewhere, but it's not. I don't know where
Yeah,
it
it's
actually
just
is.
kind of hanging out. I mean, it works
There's
there.
probably bolts somewhere too. Maybe here.
Probably.
I don't know.
All right, actually, I think that's probably the clip for it right there. It's probably supposed to slide on right there.
Most likely.
But either way, it's easy access. What a shame, man. Brand new STI turbo too. Stupid.
Yeah.
Stupid and dumb.
dumb
Did you undo? We'll have to undo. Oh no, these are different. These aren't.
Yeah,
That's push part. That's push type. Yeah, that's right. I forgot Legacies were different.
You're good, yeah.
Sweet. Well, that's cool. Yeah.
Come out.
All right. Well, I guess I was gonna leave, but I'm gonna stay and help you pull it.
Shouldn't really take that long.
No, definitely not. Let me tell you, this is an uncommon sight. Usually these things don't blow up, man. They're usually really reliable.
I've never seen one.
That's just nuts to even think a Subaru blew up. You know, like,
Really?
usually that doesn't happen. I'll just let you get up the rest of the way. I'll hold this power steering wheel.
Pulling it.
Something pulling it. Yeah. The stud. I just hit the transmission.
Now we pull forward.
Yeah, the tranny will fall again, but. Alright. That's it for today. Engine on stand. Guess we'll. Again. I guess we'll tear it down.
Yeah. See what happens.
See what went down. How many bearings do you predict?
I'm thinking at least 2.
That's where I'm at. At least 2. I don't know about ringland failure.
I don't either.
I don't know. You said it didn't want to run, which makes me partially think maybe a ringland. I'm going to go with 2 bearings, 1 ringland. Cylinder 3 Ringland. All right, we will see what happens.